Engine valve parts and their functions. 1. Valve head. The valve head is the uppermost part of the valve that comes into direct contact with the combustion chamber. It is typically disc-shaped and designed to seal the intake or exhaust port when closed. The head's underside is exposed to high combustion temperatures, while its outer edge, valve face, mates with the valve seat in the cylinder head to ensure a tight seal. The size of the valve head affects airflow. Larger intake valves improve air-fuel mixture intake, while larger exhaust valves facilitate better exhaust gas expulsion. 2. Margin. The margin is the thick, flat portion around the edge of the valve head. It provides structural strength to the valve, preventing warping or burning due to extreme heat and pressure. A sufficient margin ensures proper heat dissipation and maintains the valve's sealing efficiency over time. If the margin wears too thin, the valve may overheat and fail, leading to poor engine performance or valve damage. 3. Valve face. The valve face is the precision-machined conical surface on the underside of the valve head that seals against the valve seat in the cylinder head. It is usually ground at an angle, typically 45 degrees or 30 degrees, to ensure an airtight seal when closed. A properly lapped valve face prevents compression loss and leakage of combustion gases. Over time, carbon buildup or wear can degrade the valve face, requiring resurfacing or replacement. 4. Valve stem. The valve stem is the long, cylindrical section that guides the valve's linear motion within the valve guide. It ensures proper alignment and minimizes side load, reducing wear. The stem's surface is often hardened or coated to resist friction and heat. The upper end of the stem connects to the valve spring retainer, while the lower end, valve head, opens and closes the port. Excessive stem wear can lead to oil consumption if intake valves, or poor valve seating. 5. Spring retainer lock groove. The spring retainer lock groove, or keeper groove, is a small machined groove near the top of the valve stem. It holds the valve keepers, locks, which secure the valve spring retainer in place. The groove is designed to withstand the spring's tension, keeping the valve assembly intact during operation. If the groove is damaged or worn, the valve may dislodge, causing catastrophic engine failure. 6. Valve tip. The valve tip is the uppermost end of the valve stem that contacts the rocker arm in OHV engines or camshaft in OHC engines. It is often hardened to resist wear from repeated impacts. In some cases, the tip may be coated or capped to reduce friction. Excessive wear on the valve tip can lead to improper valve timing, increased clearance, valve lash, and reduced engine efficiency.